Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Indian Writing in English, 5th Sum Core. Today we are going to deal with the film Charulata by Satyajit Ray, who was an Indian filmmaker who worked prominently in Bengali cinema and who has often been regarded as one of the greatest directors of world cinema. Born in Calcutta to Bengali family, he was inspired by the French film director Jean Renoir. Ray made his directorial debut in 1955 with Pather Panchali and directed 36 films comprising 29 feature films, 5 documentaries and 2 short films. Let's have an overview on the film Charulata. In English, it's also known as The Lonely Wife. It is an Indian drama film written and directed by Satyajit Ray based upon the 1901 novella Nashtanir, The Broken Nest by Rabindranath Tagore. And the film features Soumitra Chatterjee as the hero Amal, and we have Madhabi Mukherjee acting as Charulata and Sailen Mukherjee as Bhupati. He is working as an editor to an English political newspaper. The film is considered as one of Ray's highest achievements. So let us talk about the plot. Charulata, she is a very talented, intelligent, beautiful wife of Bhupati. And she is interested in arts, literature and poetry. Although Bhupati loves his wife, he has no time for her. She has little to do in the house run by a fleet of servants. They belongs to a upper class family. And Bhupati can understand her boredom. And Bhupati decides to invite Charu's elder brother Umapada and his wife Mandagini to live with them. Umapada helps in running the magazine and the printing press. Mandagini, with her silly and crude ways, is no company for the sensitive, intelligent Charulata. Later, Bhupati invites his cousin Amal, young and handsome 23-year-old boy. He was so much interested in literature. He was a student of literature. And Bhupati writes to him to make a visit. Bhupati encourages Charu's cultural interests. Amal has literary ambitions and shares her interest in poetry. He provides her with a much needed intellectual companionship and attention as per the advice of Bhupati. An intimate and teasing friendship develops between Charulata and Amal. There is a hint of rivalry when she publishes a short story on her own without his knowledge. It is a revolt against his publishing of a poem that she had forbidden him from getting published. She becomes so possessive in the case of Amal because she started loving him. He realizes that Charulata is in love with him, but he is reluctant to reciprocate due to the guilt involved because he loves his Dada or Bhupati very much. Meanwhile, Charu's brother and sister-in-law cheats Bhupati of his money and runs away. It destroys Bhupati's newspaper and the press. The episode shatters Bhupati, who admits his hurt to Amal. He tells Amal that now Amal is the only one he can trust. Amal is overcome with the guilt of betraying his cousin Bhupati, and he is also uncomfortable with Charu's higher intellect that he has helped to nurture. Charu was prized by many people, including Bhupati's friends, while her article on village became published in a magazine, renowned magazine. He leaves unannounced, and he leaves a letter to Bhupati and forbids Charu to stop writing. Charu is heartbroken but hides her disappointment. Bhupati accidentally enters her room and finds her crying over Amal. Bhupati realizes Charu's feelings for Amal. He is broken, shocked, and bewildered. And one whole day he wanders through the streets aimlessly in his cart, and he is very guilty about not finding enough time for Charu. And at the same time he too feels reluctant to be back to her. Here, on his return, Charu and Bhupati make a hesitant gesture to reach out. When she holds her arms reluctantly, he accepts it, but their extended hands remains frozen in a tentative gesture. Tagore's work Nashtanir explores the banality of our society's hypermoralism and hypocrisy when it came to treating women. And the women in his stories in turn questioned everything. So the plot is over, and to talk about, we can see the magic of Satyajit Ray's cinematography in this film. In each shots, Ray received numerous awards at international film festivals and elsewhere, including several Indian National Film Awards and an honorary Academy Award at the 64th Academy Awards in 1992. Ray was awarded India's highest award in cinema, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1984, and India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1992. Okay, that is the end of our class today. Okay, thank you.